Noodle supports importing fonts through CSS. So I'm going to head over to Google Fonts, fonts.google.com, and import a few different fonts here. So let's pick Open Sans. I'm going to pick the light style, the regular one, and the bold one. And you can keep on adding multiple font families. Let's add this one as well, for instance. Select this style. And then if you click up here, you can find the CSS. Now the easiest way to import CSS in Noodle is to use the import statement. So let's click on that one. Copy the CSS, so that's what's between the style tag here. Head over into Noodle, create a CSS definition node, edit, paste what we just copied from Google Fonts, and then head back into Google Fonts and see we have two families now we can use, the Nurko one and the Open Sans. So if we go into our text node and just paste in what we had there on Google Fonts, then that font will now be applied. And we had Open Sans as well. Now the picker here, the font pop-up, it will only show you the font files you have installed, not the CSS import. So we can ignore this when we use CSS. So let's do Open Sans. And now we have the regular style here. So let's make it bold and light as well. So to do that, we're going to use CSS. So I'm going to head down here, use the CSS style tab. You can use the JavaScript one if you prefer that one as well. And then I'm going to use font weight, let's see, 300, something like that. And now we get the light one. And I believe we added 700 as well for the bold one. Or you can just type in bold as well, and you will get the same one. And that's how you import fonts through CSS with Noodle.